Asher learned how to gargle. Nope, we're not eating that. Oops. Can you clap your hands? Clap your hands. Yay! No, that's not good. Scratch your armpit. Clap your hands. Yay, Asher! Clap your hands. What do you see? Oh, are you on camera now? Oh, sound like mama. Yay, Asher! Are you silly boy? Yay, you're clapping! You want to sit up? Can you not sit up with one hand? Tell us what you've got going on today. Let's see that tooth. Can you show everybody your tooth? So many burps. Oh no, hiccups again. It's the third time today. Where are you going? Huh? You're very busy. Oh, is that your turtle? That's your turtle. Oh. Oh my. We are in trouble with you, boy. Is Daddy laughing at you?
Comes out all in.